Continental, a major German automotive supplier, held a groundbreaking ceremony in Shanghai on Thursday for its new plant. The plant, with a focus on digitalization, is planned to be put into use in the second half of 2025.
This smart manufacturing digitalization, also called Industry 4.0, is very important for the competitiveness of a manufacturing plant. So we are really trying, not only in the new plant, but also in the existing plant, to install everything what is beneficial for increasing our efficiency and quality.
This is our MKC1 production line. The land totally occupies 1,800 square meters, and there are over 100 stations in this line. And so far, this is our biggest SOP line here in this plant. And besides the size of this line, it also has some other characteristics on this line. So first one is a high level of the digitalization. So we use the big data technology. Second one, the high level of automation.
Continental Automotive System was founded in the Shanghai Jiading Industrial Zone in 2001. In February this year, the company was awarded as one of the top 100 smart factories by the Shanghai government for its intelligent manufacturing projects.
We as a plant started here in 2001, and we saw a very good development here, and this is also because of the strong support of the authorities here, of the Jiading government, the Jiading Industrial Zone, supporting us with the proper talent settlement policies. And looking in the future, we also get very strong support. We can say we are having here a partnership with the authorities in the planning and development together of this new building.